Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here with Rob from All About Stone. Big giveaway, Rob, that we've got all the stone here with you, but you are one of the first people in Australia to get the V-Pen with the new iCON system. And this is the ICS 50, and you've been using it since March 2025.
Yep.
Tell me about why you've gone 3D and why this little V-Pen is now so important to the business.
The machinery that we have in the industry nowadays sort of warrants a high-tech approach to measuring, which brings the benefits with accuracy and speed and all that sort of thing.
So tell me about what now has changed when you've got the V-Pen and the type of customers that you're actually working with.
Look, one of the biggest advantages to the V-Pen is it takes away hours of sitting in front of a computer for me,
Right.
turning paper drawings into CAD drawings. So it pretty much eliminates that whole portion of the job.
There's a lot of really, really high-end stuff you're doing, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you're talking, some materials can be, $2,000 a square metre.
Wow.
To purchase.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of money at stake.
And so when you were saying to me earlier, you're working with builders, contracts, even architects,
Yep.
and then, the homeowners themselves. What has been the impression when you come back to them and you bring this through the door and you start setting this up?
They automatically know that they're going to get a good job.
Yeah.
I think that's the confidence that it instills in people, that you are going to get super accurate measurements, and there's not going to be any mistakes and,
Things like that happening. And of course, the fun thing is as well, is behind us, we've got the tablet, folks. And as you're taking measurements, so for example, your special little model here, we can put the dot exactly up there. You're pressing that button, aren't you? And that's registering on the tablet.
Yeah, exactly where the tip of that is.
And so that we can go all around to make different shapes, but also it's appearing on here, isn't it? So you can physically show people that there is their building coming to life or their project coming to life.
Yeah,
and that's just makes it a whole lot easier, doesn't it? And
it does.
This obviously has been following me when it registers to me, and so that then setup is literally the tripod's gone up and you're ready to go. So that speed is important for you to get around the jobs as well. Isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Very quick to set up. The big spaces, very quick to measure.
Because you've said you've already done, how many is it now?
220 I think we're up to. The speed at which you can measure a job is completely different now than what it was before. We'd use tape measures and squares and levels, and we'd cut boards to, sort of fit. If something was questionable, we'd come back, we'd make templates, we'd take it back to site, double check. So a complex job might take you 2.5 hours to measure with a tape and a square and whatever. This would be maybe 15 minutes.
Wow. So that has bought you a lot of time,
Yep.
but also we understand when you're measuring by tape and things can go wrong and, that rework, which is very expensive, that's been reduced significantly.
Yeah,
as well.
and that's the biggest issue that we have. If we do make a mistake, it's the downtime. Like, it's the time we have to come back and we have to remake it. The builder has to reschedule trades.
Yeah.
It's a knock-on effect. You just can't make a mistake.
And that's really important when you've got machines like you've got next door, because, folks, there's some really big cutting edge stuff that we've got to go and see now. Come on, follow me, Rob, let's go. So now we're inside the factory, Rob, where the real magic happens. All those curves and shapes we've measured with the V-Pen can come to life in 3D with this really, really cool piece of kit, isn't it? What have we got in front of us?
So this is a 5-axis CNC water jet. So it takes a DXF drawing and basically just follows it.
So what we've measured in that job site, and whether it be indoors or outdoors with the V-Pen, that model you can create and then you can export that. How easy is it to then do that process rather than the paper-based level you did before?
Sometimes there's some touch-ups to do on a drawing or splitting pieces apart, which takes a couple of minutes. Like it's very, very quick compared to the hours that you spend creating the drawings. The Leica tablet creates those on site
Right.
as you measure.
And so that's it. So you said 15 minutes, you're measuring, that's creating. Then you
Yep.
might, play around with it a little bit in your software, straight into the machine.
Straight in the machines, yep.
Wow, that is enormous difference
Yes.
to your business, isn't it?
Yes.
The productivity you can get out of it.
Yep, yeah. And it will follow, the machines will follow whatever is drawn.
Right.
So, and as accurate as the Leica can measure.
Right.
So,
So it is real productivity, real accuracy, with a really cool looking pen here with Rob, transforming the business and making sure you get it right first time. Because if it's all about stone, Rob, and it's all about getting it right, I think the two come together, don't
Yeah,
they?
they sure
Cheers,
do.
nice to meet you.